this video, I want to talk about AI for small states. This is coming from a white paper. As you can imagine, small states such as Finland, Denmark, Switzerland, smaller states have different needs for AI and applicability as well. So this paper is really important because it covers a roadmap, and this roadmap was released essentially this year, 2024. This playbook, created by the Digital Forum of Small States in the Singaporean government, offers practical advice on how small nations can harness the power of AI. So let's cover the fundamentals, right? So we'll break down the basic building blocks that small states need to create a thriving AI ecosystem. Let's also look at facts on the ground, exploring real-world examples on how some AI states are already using AI to tackle challenges and boost their economies. And let's look at the future solutions. Look ahead and discuss the exciting potential for AI in small states and how they can work together to shape their future. Now let's start with fundamentals. So the AI Playbook emphasizes that investing in human resources and robust infrastructure are essential first steps for any small state looking to embrace AI. What we need are skilled professionals who can develop and deploy AI systems. Think specialized AI curricula in universities, upskilling programs for the existing workforce. The document and the research lists out Estonia, for example, which are leading their way into its national AI strategy, focusing on educational and training programs. So they've introduced master's programs in data science and AI, and they have even a society-wide AI and data literacy program. By 2030, they aim to have 80% of their society equipped with basic AI and data skills. There's also the need for skills for everyone. Beyond tech wizards, the general workforce also needs AI literacy. This helps everyone leverage AI in their work to improve productivity and decision making. There's also the need for massive compute requirements. So access to high performance computing crucial for processing massive data sets and training sophisticated AI models. This could mean building dedicated data centers for sensitive applications or utilizing cloud service providers for more flexible solutions. Data is king, right? We know that high quality data is the essentially lifeblood of AI. They need high fidelity and, high quality data essentially in order to operate at high standards. How data here is so important. It needs to be relevant to the local context. Think about curating data from various sources, even government-held data assets. Denmark, for example, has created the Danish Data Portal, which provides access to public datasets for companies, researchers, and citizens to help fuel the development of AI solutions. And sustainability matters. AI can be resource intensive, so it's vital to partner with technology providers committed to energy-efficient practices and sustainable hardware. When we look at AI in action, what are real-world success stories and use cases from these small nations? Let's look at the theory and the practice and how some of the small states are already making impact. Target focus is key. So small states often have limited resources, so they need to prioritize which sectors to focus on. So Mauritius, for example, is using AI in agriculture for precision farming and water management, resulting in increasing crop yields and reduced water usage. They are using drones and mobile apps to help farmers make better decisions and optimize their resources. Rwanda is tackling healthcare challenges with AI. They're using AI-powered chatbots to assist nurses in triaging patients and providing faster care. Empowering micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises make up the majority of businesses in small states, so they need support in adopting AI. So government must lead the way, right? So governments can be powerful catalysts for AI adoption by demonstrating its benefits throughout pilot projects in public services. Now, going back to real-world cases, right, that are actually happening, we can look at Finland, for example. They are using AI to improve the efficiency of legislative drafting, making the process faster and more efficient. And when we think of small states, the important aspect here is to upskill the public sector. So training public sector employees in AI literacy and proficiency empowers them to use AI-based solutions effectively. Now let's get to the future, right? So what does the future look like for solutions and collaboration with AI? We've seen some of the fundamentals or real-world examples. So think about how important trust is to the future of AI adoption. Trust environment is crucial for stakeholders to confidently embrace AI. This means establishing clear governance frameworks and ethical guidelines. Singapore has developed a model governance framework for generative AI that outlines 9 dimensions to consider for addressing potential risks. Practical testing tools, when we look at how open source testing resources like AI Verify and Project Moonshot can help ensure that AI systems are safe for deployment. We can also look at New Zealand publishing joint guidance on the responsible use of generative AI to help government agencies make informed decisions about using AI. And building on existing laws, countries can leverage legislation, data protection laws to address some AI-related concerns. New Zealand has the Office of Privacy Commissioner, which issued advisory guidelines on how to comply with their Privacy Act when using AI. And when we think of the future and digital literacy for everyone, we can start thinking about how digital ingrained and digital literate population is better equipped to understand and utilize AI safety responsibly. Education programs, community outreach, and awareness campaigns are key for small states to grow their digital literacy for everyone. Another state that's making waves into the future is Malta. Malta has integrated AI ethics into its national school curriculum to help students understand AI concepts, prepare for their AI-driven future. And global partnerships are essential. When we look at small states that can overcome resource constraints by collaborating with each other in international organizations. So the Digital Forum of Small States, Digital FOSS, is a prime example of a platform where small states can exchange ideas and best practices. And the International Telecommunication Union, ITU, has its AI for Good initiative, which promises AI for sustainable development. The United Nations Development Programme supports developing countries in leveraging AI for sustainable development and offer resources like iVerify fact-checking tool, for example. So there are a lot of good things for the future in terms of resources, in terms of programs, and ideas on how these multi-states can improve their educational programs for everyone in order for AI to be adopted safely and responsibly. And at the same time, looking at other matters like resource consumption, resource utilization, and of course, the environmental impact of AI adoption on their small states as well, which is incredibly important for the future looking side of our society. So this playbook, the AI Playbook for Small States, is a call to action for all small states. So embracing its fundamentals, learning from each other's successes, and working together, all of these small states can reach incredible potential for AI and build better future for their citizens. All right. Have a look at the resources for more information and see you next time.